Hey there and welcome. If you've ever found yourself working on a design project and thinking, I wish I could seamlessly collaborate with my team in real time, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to collaborate on designs in Figma, so you and your teammates can work together effortlessly, review each other's changes live, and really bring your ideas to life as a team. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to invite others into your Figma workspace and make the most out of its powerful collaboration features. Let's dive right in. So picture this. You have a Figma project open, and within that project, maybe you've got several designs, like different app screens or website pages, all neatly organized. That's one of Figma's big strengths. It keeps all your work accessible in one place, no matter how many files or frames you're juggling. Now, if you're ready to bring a teammate or your entire crew into the mix, here's what you need to do. Look up to the top right corner of your Figma window and you'll spot the Share button. It's pretty hard to miss, and it's your gateway to teamwork. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a window where most of your collaboration tools live. Here, you'll see a clear text box that lets you directly invite people by their email address. Just type in the email of anyone you'd like to collaborate with. Maybe it's your UI designer, the developer, or even a client who wants to review your progress. After you enter their email, hit invite. This step might seem simple, but it's honestly where a lot of the magic happens. By sending this invite, you're giving peers instant access to not just view, but actually edit and comment on the designs if you choose. It's just like sharing a Google Doc. Everyone you add can join the conversation and contribute their expertise instantly. But what if you want to make your project even more accessible? Maybe you're working with a big team, or you want to be sure anyone with the link can jump in without needing a specific email invite. Well, Figma lets you do that too. Right under the section labeled Who Has Access, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on that and you'll find an option labeled Anyone with the link. Select this and it instantly changes the permissions for your file. Now anyone who has your special link can get in. This is super handy for projects where things are moving fast or you're collaborating across departments. To get this link, just click Copy Link. It'll be instantly copied to your clipboard, then paste it in an email, a Slack message, or wherever your team hangs out online. And remember, even though you're opening up access, you still control whether people can just view, comment, or fully edit the designs, so you have flexibility based on your needs. Now, once your teammates join, you'll notice something really cool. You'll actually see their little avatars or initials pop up in the top bar, and maybe even see their cursors moving around the canvas, almost like you're all gathered around the same whiteboard. Don't worry if things seem a bit busy at first. Real-time collaboration means you can always keep the conversation going, leave feedback, and improve your designs together. And that's it. With just a couple of clicks, you've unlocked the full collaborative power of Figma for your next design project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more tips on using Figma. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.